Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing America's best value inn and suites Anchorage Airport. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are airport shuttle, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, family rooms and facilities for disabled guests. Located 10 minutes from historic downtown Anchorage, Alaska, this hotel features 24-hour shuttle service to Anchorage International Airport. It has a continental breakfast, laundry facilities, and suites with kitchenettes. The Airport Anchorage Executive Suite, America's Best Value Inn, provides spacious accommodations equipped with cable TV, free Wi-Fi, and a private entrance. A refrigerator and microwave are provided. A scheduled summer train shuttle service is available at this Anchorage hotel. The front desk is open 24 hours a day and free parking is available. Guests can take advantage of free use of the walk-in fish freezer. Alaska Pacific University and the Alaska Zoo are 15 minutes from America's Best Value Inn Executive Suite Airport Anchorage. Fort Richardson is 25 minutes from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.